Hello everyone, and welcome to my Duggar For You channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. The Supreme Court has rejected Josh Duggar's appeal in the child pornography case. Josh Duggar will continue to serve his 12-year prison sentence as a result of the Supreme Court rejecting his second attempt to appeal his child pornography conviction. The Supreme Court denied the 19 kids and counting alum's request to have the guilty decision in his child pornography case reversed on June 24, as reported by the Associated Press. The denial was apparently not further explained by the court. Josh's appeal was denied the second time it was submitted. The 36-year-old was found guilty on one count of receiving child pornography and one count of possessing child pornography in December 2021. He entered a not guilty plea. In October, the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit denied his initial attempt to appeal the conviction. Josh's legal team has been contacted by E! News for comment, but they have not responded as of yet. Josh, who is married to Anna Duggar and has 7 children, will now serve his 12.5-year prison sentence, which is set to expire in October 2032 as a result of the appeal decisions. In addition to his prison sentence, the former reality star was fined $10,000 and will serve 20 years of supervised release following his release from jail, according to court documents that E! News previously obtained. The parents at the core of TLC's 19 kids and counting, Jim Bob and Michelle Duggar, are the parents of Josh. Following claims that Josh had raped several females while still a teenager, which ultimately led to his sisters Jessa and Jill Duggar coming out to claim they were victims, the show was terminated in 2015 after 10 seasons on the air. Josh has already expressed contrition for the circumstances. 12 years ago, as a young teenager, I acted inexcusably, for which I am extremely sorry and deeply regret, he stated to People in 2015. I injure people, personal friends and family included. My parents helped me deal with the circumstance by taking many actions once I told them about it. I admitted my wrongdoing to the authorities during our conversation, and my parents made arrangements for counseling for me and the people I harmed to get it. The show, Counting On, which featured Josh's younger sisters, was canceled after 11 seasons by the network, shortly after Josh was arrested in April 2021 on allegations of child pornography. Josh's parents, Jim Bob and Michelle, have been among the family members who have commented on the case since his conviction. This entire ordeal has been very grievous, they said in a December 2021 statement to E! News. Today, we have been supported by God's grace because of the love and prayers of so many people. We send our condolences and prayers to everyone who has ever suffered because of CSAM, child sexual abuse material. In the days ahead, we will do all we can to surround our daughter-in-law Anna and their children with love and support, they said. Like we do with all of our kids, we will never stop loving and praying for Joshua as parents. We put our faith in God in all situations in life. Additionally, Jinger Duggar revealed in February 2023 how she and her sisters feel about their sister-in-law Anna in the wake of the trial. She said of Anna and her 7 kids, "We're always here for them if they need anything," to E! News. And I hope that they would know that. I'm just thankful for the justice system, she went on. For the victims and their families, my heart just bleeds. It has been reported that Josh Duggar signs autographs for the friends and family of prisoners in jail. According to reports, Josh Duggar signs autographs that other prisoners give to their loved ones. Josh has been autographing newspaper clippings about him for the relatives of convicts, according to an insider who spoke with the U.S. Sun for a story that ran on Sunday, July 21. The 36-year-old former cast member of 19 Kids and Counting is presently serving a 151-month term at FCI Segoville in Dallas, Texas. In December 2021, Josh was found guilty on one count of possessing and one count of receiving child pornography. Later, in May 2022, during his sentencing hearing, the latter charge was withdrawn. The eldest child of Jim Bob and Michelle Duggar was initially supposed to be released on August 12, 2032. However, Josh's sentence was increased to October 2, 2032, and in March 2023, he was placed in the facility's Special Housing Unit (SHU), purportedly due to the discovery that he owned a cell phone. Josh's legal team filed an appeal in June 2022 after his initial sentence, requesting a fresh trial in an attempt to suppress incriminating statement he made to federal investigators. The defense team also sought to reverse a lower court's ruling that prohibited bringing up the defendant's prior sex offense convictions during the trial. In October 2023, the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit opted to sustain Josh's conviction. Josh filed an appeal in June, but the Supreme Court turned it down. Josh is out of options, an insider close to him exclusively told In Touch, adding that he is blaming everything and everybody except himself for the Supreme Court's decision to uphold his child porn conviction. Josh is considering penning a memoir detailing his experiences in prison because he is so enraged with the Supreme Court. The insider mentioned his wife, Anna Duggar, saying he has nothing to lose at this point, and certainly his wife could use the money. Josh, 36, and Anna, 36, were married in 2008. They have 3 sons, Michael, Marcus, and Mason, and 4 daughters, Mackenzie, Meredith Grace, Mariella Hope, and Madison. The insider went on, books would mean a big payday for Josh because finances are a huge issue right now, and everyone would be fair game, even this own family. Not only is Anna finding it difficult to support herself and Josh's children, but an additional source exclusively revealed to In Touch that with the cancellation of Counting On, his entire family has been struggling financially. The insider revealed, their savings aren't limitless and not much is coming in, and it's unlikely that any of them will ever get a second reality show. TLC terminated the family's debut program, 19 Kids and Counting, in May 2015 when In Touch revealed in an exclusive story that Josh had reportedly assaulted 5 minor females while still a teenager. Among his victims were his sisters Jessica Seawald, Jill Dillard, Joanna Forsyth, and Jinger Vualo, all of whom were born into the Duggar family. Josh was first implicated in the controversy, but he was never taken into custody or charged with a crime.